However difficult life may seem, there is always something you can do and succeed it. We are just an advanced breed of monkey on a minor planet of a very average star. But we can understand the universe that make us something. Success is creating AI would be at the biggest event in human history. Unfortunately, it might also be the last unless we learn how to avoid the risk. I would like nuclear fusion to become a practical power source. It would provide an inexhaustible supply of energy without pollution or global warming. When one's expectations are reduced to zero, one really appreciates everything one does have everything. God may exist, but science can explain the universe without the need for a creator. Because there is a law such as gravity, the universe can and will create itself from nothing. No one undertakes research in physics with the intention of winning a prize. It is the joy of discovering something no one knew before. I don't think the human race will survive the next 1,000 years unless we spread into space. I am not afraid of death, but I am in no hurry to die. I have so much I want to do first. Someone told me that each equation I included in the books would halve the scales. Even if it turns out that time travel is impossible, it is important that we understand why it is impossible. Look up at the stars and not down at your feet. Try to make sense of what you see and wonder about what makes the universe exist. Be curious. The past, like the future, is indefinite and exists only as a spectrum of possibilities. I have noticed even people who claims everything is predestined and that we can do nothing to change it look before they cross the road. Not only does God place dice, but He sometimes throws them where they cannot be seen. Scientists have become the bearer of the torch of discovery in one quest for knowledge. Science is not only as a discipline of reason but also one of the romance and passion. I believe the universe is governed by the law of science. The law may have been decreed by God, but God does not intervene to break the law. I believe alien life is quite common in the universe, although intelligent life is less so. Some say it has yet to appear on planet Earth. We only have to look out ourselves to see how intelligent life might develop into something we would not want to meet. We are all different. There is no such thing as standard or run-of-the-mill human being, but we share the same human spirit. I am just a child who has never grown up. I still keep asking this how and why question. Occasionally, I find an answer. My goal is simple, it is complete understanding of the universe, why it is, and why it exists at all. I was not a good student. I did not spend much time at college. I was too busy enjoying myself. I would not be here today if it is not for the NHS. I have received a large amount of high quality treatment without which I would not have survived. If alien visitors, the outcome would be much as when Columbus landed in America, which did not turn out well for the Native Americans. If you believe in science like I do, you believe that there are certain laws that are always obeyed. In my opinion, there is no aspect of reality beyond the reach of human mind.